Roar! 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 Let's play today! 5 little dinosaurs stomping all around. One saw a butterfly fluttering down. He ran to chase it, what a sight! Now 4 little dinosaurs left in sight. 4 little dinosaurs playing by the tree. One heard splashing, what could that be? He jumped in the water with a happy roar. Now 3 little dinosaurs left to explore. 3 little dinosaurs climbing up high. One saw a bird flying through the sky. He spread his arms and tried to soar. Now 2 little dinosaurs left on the floor. 2 little dinosaurs playing in the sun. One found a cave, this looks fun. He hid inside and began to snore. Now 1 little dinosaur's left to roar. 1 little dinosaur all alone. He missed his friends and ran back home. They stomped and danced and sang once more. 5 little dinosaurs, let's roar! Stomp your feet and clap your hands. Dinosaurs are the best in all the lands. Roar, say hooray! Let's be dinos every day.